But my Vans, but all them man can't step, man can't part me in a Vans and them little quote they man make about my Vans, brother. You did time I talk about enough time when my pass him or when him a pass me, him see me, him a talk about cause you know him love tough up, she love tough up her face, you know. She just also the girl love tough up her face every minute. From a good thing there, brother, from a good 6, 7, 8 thing there. It's like from a step in I bus, I just low and jealousy, dog. I just low and jealousy my feel, bro, in the 6, 7, 8 thing. You did, and from a step in I bus, they even RJ damage me, brother. That's why I did even deal with him in the confessions them how I deal with him. Because really and truly him style me. RJ are the first man who style me. RJ, the youth there, him fucking left the link here, gone over next link and met the man them style him. He's a idiot, RJ, and you can't come back over that side. Sorry. You did. So when we go in about alone jealousy, dog, I do all of them face. I tell them my experience and I tell them the truth. Lone jealousy in them face, brother. Lexia did the only girl where did gravitate toward the person where did gravitate towards me when we upon the first day. Lexia alone and Killer Miller. Me and Killer Miller share a room, you did. And we are teammates. From the day nobody not chat to me, brother. It's like every man I pray, every man I chat with them link, but nobody now meds me, bro. Which is fine because I not expect no fear meds with me. But then I space by myself, I'm over there, so you understand? Yeah. I not expect no fear meds with me. You did. I open our screen record. And but the one side I do my thing on you did. I not talk about fully about the production. I just show you the energy where my been a get and the energy where my been a push. I just sow some seed right now. And so when the day when you see my face get thumping, cause no for now wait upon that day then, bro. When you see my face get thumping, brother, you can really do like you can connect the dots, bro. Connect the dots and see who real in the thing from who not real in the thing, bro. You can be able to come up with your own conclusion. You did. So this way I say me have shown you know, like I go there, nobody never there met me, bro. I just me, Alexi, Hot Dog, and Kimmy. The rest of them, healing got through. You did. We just heal got through. Now you're not talking like that and so forth. You see when the world bitch forward now. World bitch, me say world bitch and me shake him man. Me say world bitch. Me say world bitch. And him say Kyng Tavii. And then I wipe up my answer. And wipe off him answer. And we shake hand, bro. Bear in mind, before I meet this brother, you know, I not have no bad intention for that brother. Like my intentions them pure, brother. Like I still don't like brother, I not pray the man no way, brother. And when we reach at the 6, 7, 8, I start to pray my way, brother. You did. But before me I pray him like, yo, brother. Yeah, you did. I reach out to him not link me back. When he come on close to the 6, 7, 8 thing now, I reach out to him and I suck on him link me up back. You understand? I never have no premiums for this world bitch, brother. No premiums for world bitch. You hear me? I find me go there and go find out say him there pre me all of the time. But they even bother getting at that, you did. And see, I never there pray, bro. I never there, I genuinely just do over here, do my thing and try for up the thing. You yourself step on the life, say, yeah, I never there pray, I be a positivity, I come link about. Of course, I gotta do that. I don't have nothing negative to say about you, bro. I know you give me things negative to say about your pussy hole. Sorry, world bitch. You did. But when you forward, you shake my hand. Me shake him hand. And me and him, remember say me and him talk on message, you know. Me and him talk on IG, you know. So it's a case where me the having on my head say, alright then. And me say the dog it might be a different case, you know me? When me see a bitch, it might be a different case. So I come so boom now. Like the world bitch gonna chill with him little puppy them, you did, cause when them suck on him milk, him titty them, you know, you did, when them want them milk, you know, / followers, you know. So them just suck on him titty them when them ready. And gone with him little puppy them. Cause you don't know him are the big bitch. Him are the top bitch, you understand? So the puppy them there are just a suck on him and thing, you did. So him gone over there with them and thing, I'm happy to say, you know what? I just wait upon the dog. I'm not gonna run into nobody, bro. Because if I see a man now come to me or link with me, brother, fine, bro. I just stay over here, so I'm gonna wait upon the dog for acknowledge me certain way. We can go through, I can heal you and go through, but I'm not gonna just come to you and link with you a certain way. You did? Yeah, so, well, bitch, I do him thing, I'm over there, so just I do him thing. And me over here, so you don't know, I'm not too fuck with nobody, you understand? I'm over here, so I'll Lexi me even there on. I'm not there on nobody. I'm just lucky in my own little space, my own little world. I saw my mother grow me. You did me, she grow me alone, bro. You did. And we come so boom now, dog. During the days them, I realize that this is like he might make some little talk, brother, like some little remark. If me hear him an idea, he make some little remarks, brother. But me I pass like him when I pass him, he might make some little remarks, brother. He might say things like he might make some reference about me, about my Vans, about all them little man can't step, man can't part me in a Vans and them little quote they might make about my Vans, brother. You did I might talk about enough time when I pass him or when he pass me and see me, he might talk about cause you know him love tough up she love tough up her face, you know. She just also the girl love tough up her face every minute. Some man Facebook page verified. My one on Facebook my thing, Instagram my thing there. And like him want to like him a try spit up in my face and them shit there, bro. And you're there way over there, so. You did me, so it's a case where I start to pre the dog now, like dog, where you have meds now, dog, like you have meds to be my bridging, you have meds to me and you for put in some work, or you have meds to deal with me like shit, brother. You know them way they did, like I don't know where my meds. So I come so boom now. I'm say, alright, here I go. I just keep to myself and stay over here, so. You did me? I'm not gonna talk if I'm not true people. You did? I'm been a talk and I'm been a say things, but I just make on using the intuition and see everything for myself. You did me? You did? So I advise and start going and I not say nothing to him. I stop hearing him. Like when I see him, I just not see him. When I see him and him puppy them, I not see them. I not see them none call. Like I see them and I not see them, bro. I reach a level where I not heal nobody again, bro. I just there in my own little space, bro. I do a challenge them there in my little space. You understand? Them don't like that. It's like all when me there in my space, all if I have one friend, them don't like that, bro. Nobody no want to see me around nobody, bro, and nobody no want to see me by myself. I not get it. You did, but at that I did the case where I go on, brother. It's like a case where the man them want to see me sad. So them can talk about it and feel superior, brother. You did. But you know, you don't know me. I just a smile and I got you said way. Anybody in our production can tell you, did. I smile and I got you in the first couple of days. Until my final says 6, 7, 8. I go around me. But we're not gonna get into that. You did. I light up my spirit. So I find them out and I just start there in my little space, dog. There in my little world, bro. Lock up in my room and them little thing there. Killer me like out there so I make up peer nice and thing. I just in my room having my earpods. Because them have them moment, you know, when them drain energy, you know. Them play them 1 and 2 tune. For subliminally I try this me, I style me. But really and truly, them can't style me. I RJ them a style because I'm a girl clown for real. So some man too easy for switch, dog. I saw them easy for trick, dog. Them little measure on the depan. It no work for me, bro. You did. I just sit down and pray them thing there. So them a do them little subliminal this and that. I not see no man. I still not talk to no man. I did it one night now, I sleep like my doze off now, you know, cause me and say, alright, me get, so since them out there saw pop bottles and them with bitches and all of them thing there. And when I say bitches, I mean the puppy them there with them mother. You understand? All of them out there popping bottles and doing all sort of stuff, you understand? But say me I get some rest. Because you don't know the smart thing is for to get some rest. Wake up one morning with some energy for beat them fucker, yeah. You understand? Killer Miller call me. Yo. Such man them a call you, you know. You want me even want to call them name because me don't want to give just nobody, me just don't want to call the name. You did. Killer Miller call me now and say, yo brother, the man them want upstairs and them a hold meeting, them a call me. Them a call me, you know. Me where them don't talk to, you know, bro. They don't talk to me, you know, heal me like that. You have your remarks to me, say this and that. And you call me for your meeting, you know, bro. So I say, alright. I'm go up there. I'm go up there, my youth. You know, say, the whole of the man them and world bitch. The whole of the man them, the puppy them and world bitch, they up the dog. Well, me say the man them, I mean me, because me I did the only man who did there at the time, you understand? And Killer Miller, because him a like 40 yard on the show. I don't know if you know that him a big man. Him a no man, him a big man. You hear me, so? The whole of them did the dog I talk to me now and like them I say, as me I say dog, as me I say, like them they a chat to me like, him I say as me as the one of them, me not gonna call, uno supposed to can pick up by the voice, you read? As me I say dog, think can work dog, think can work. I try impersonating pussy clad right now. Think can work dog. Think can work. You see all we have to do is just. At the same time, I try to figure out matter what him say. Thing can work, dog. All we have to do is just work with the broken car. If you all of us just come together and make it work, it can work, man. You with the car. Them not know what going on. We not going on. The man them basically I try to friend me up, brother. I tell me say, yo dog, see you I tell me say, yo dog, and your body fucking up. Your body fucking up, dog. Yo, my rate man, youth. My rate dog. Body fucking up, brother. And world bitch there. Sit down. And I hear everything where this brother tell me, you know. The 2 tools and I can pick up how they do the chatting, you know me? Yeah. And he ask world fish, I stop him in him tracks. And I say to world bitch. I say to everybody first, we wanna think. The whole of the puppy them did there. The whole of the puppy them did there. I said to the puppy them, we wanna think about this. Man, them say it can work, man. It can work, man. And the fake energy this them I talk about, you know. We can work, you know. Them I said that fake energy I can work. I say, oh, alright. World bitch. What do you think about this? Then they are tough up in face. Alright. So the fake energy you don't want to work with. But I never did actually say that. I did say, alright, so this you don't want to do. You did. So, we come some boom now, dog. One more clap, brother. Yo, me have all a voice recording of them too. So if you don't